Frag family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we smell, sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I just recently got a little package in the mail, and we have some new mind game fragrances, I guess, that's out there. One is called Check Please. Check Please. Give me my check please. And then the other one is called Playmate. So we're going to discover this together. I have not sprayed, but I wanted to come to my family and give you all my first impression thoughts on these new beauties. All right, so with Check Please, this is a amber, fruity, woody fragrance. All right. So top notes, we have green apple. Ooh, that sounds good. Nougat, hazelnut. So middle notes, we have black plum. We have Bulgarian rose. We have cinnamon bark. And then the base notes, we have some oak barrel. Don't know what that is. Vanilla bourbon. Love that. Sandalwood oil and amber. Okay. So those are the notes for Check Please. So the one thing that definitely stands out to me is the green apple. But when I have explored green apple before, I love a good like sour apple fragrance, okay? Or a sour apple note or sour apple candy. Like Jolly Rancher, and they have the sour apple. Love it, okay? So I love the taste of sour apple and the smell. But when I have explored green apple, it's given me very woody, very green, running through the trees, running through the forest type of green apple. And so the hazelnut, I'm hoping, will kind of smooth it out, giving it more of a creamy nuttiness to it. But the middle notes, I don't know what this rose and cinnamon, bark, and plum. So it's like we have a spice, a rose, and a fruit, a dark fruit at that. Either way, I don't know. This is giving me that it's going to be a little bit more of a green, spicy, fruity, possibly, but a dark fruit rose fragrance. But let's see. Let's explore it together. This is Check Please. Check Please. Ooh, oh. All right, let me try this on let me try this on hand. I might have to change up my Christmas list. Okay. Wow, no, that green apple is giving me like a sour green apple. Oh, wow. Ooh, and that plum. Ooh, I'm smelling the plum, like the dark fruit. It's like this sour apple, but a dark fruit. Let me smell the tester again. Wow. Now let me smell it again. I'm not getting the nuttiness, and I just smell like a lot of fruits. But I do smell like a spice, like a wood, like a light wood spice. Ooh, well that's sandalwood. Okay. Now that makes sense. Ooh, this is good. Check please. Check please. Oh, this is good. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, I need me some check please. Yeah, I think I'm gonna switch up my Christmas list. Ooh, that smells so good. But I'm just not, and maybe I need to explore it some more. But again, this is my first impression thought. So first impression thought, I'm not smelling the hazelnut. And I have no idea what nougat is. it actually sounds like a toffee or like a praline, like a toffee type of, I don't know what that is. Nougat. Let me look that up. So a nougat is like a confection made with sugar or honey that's whipped with white eggs in it. Contains nuts or almonds or candy fruits or chocolate. It looks like a chewy, dense, marshmallowy type of candy. That's what it looks like I'm just Googling. That's what it looks like. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna need to like sit with this a little bit more, but I will tell you, like, I'm definitely smelling the fruits. I smell the cinnamon, like I smell the spice and the sandalwood, like the wood and fruits, but I don't know if I smell the hazelnut in this. Okay, I'm gonna have to, but I love this. This is so good. You know what? It's like that luxury girl, but like a bougie girl, but fruity spicy. Like she has a spice to it. Like there's another side to her. Almost like what they say about Gemini. Like we got another side to us. But okay. I love that. All right, let's go to the next one. So next up we have Playmate. So Playmate is a amber fragrance. Love me some amber with rich whipped musk, vanilla bean, and golden amber. Ooh. So top notes, we have coconut milk. Okay. We have water lily. We have sweet Italian lemon. Now, when I think of Italian lemon, you all know, well, maybe you don't know, but I think of Rita's ice, Rita's Italian ice. Sweet Italian lemon. Interesting. Okay, so middle notes, we have gardenia, we have jasmine, we have tiara flower. And then the base notes, we have musk, vanilla bean, sandalwood, another sandalwood, and golden amber. Okay, and when I think of golden amber, I think of like that golden hour fleur, which was okay. I remember that fragrance being okay. Interesting. Okay, so before I spray, this is giving me like a milky, maybe a light milky, because they say a coconut milk water lily. So maybe a light milky lemon. So very citrus forward, floral, woody fragrance. Okay, let's see. I don't know. Let's see. This is Playmate. You don't need to be nobody's Playmate. Okay. Good name. Good name for it. The Mistress. Is this the Mistress? No, it's not the Mistress. Is this the Mistress? Okay, is this a side chick? Interesting. Okay, this is very fun, but I feel like I've smelled this before. That lemon is absolutely coming through. The coconut milk is absolutely coming through. So that lemon citrus like milkiness. But I smell like the tiara flowers. I smell the white florals that's in this. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? It just came to me. Bora Bora. From Jordan. I can, y'all know I can never say that name. Giordani. I can never say that name right, but Giordani Bora Bora. You all know what I'm talking about. The one that looks like a rectangular bottle. That's what this smells like. That's what that smells like. Okay. So if you like Bora Bora from Giordani, you all are saying it. Put in the comment section. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you all like that fragrance, that kind of like yellow, floral, milky type of fragrance, I think you would love the Playmate Mind Games. I think you would love this one because it's giving me similar vibes. I'm not saying like they're dupes, but it's definitely giving me that coconut, white, yellow, floral type of fragrance. Okay. Now, I don't know if I would do Playmate just because I have Bora Bora. So I don't know if, I would, but I would love to continue to explore this. Now, I know you're like, is this like least feminine or masculine? I think both are absolutely unisex. I'm leaning more towards the check please one than the Playmate, just because it's just giving me Bora Bora vibes. But they're both really good, okay? So if you don't have Bora Bora, or maybe you did not like the scent profile of that, Discani, it's coming back to me, girl. The name's coming back. Discani, Giordani, y'all know what that, butchered it all up. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we'll put a picture up. That one. But if you all did not get along with that fragrance, I would say get your nose on Playmate, because there might be some notes in that rubs you better than that. But if you like a good sour green apple type of fragrance, fruity, listen, that check please. Now I know the check is a very expensive check please with mind games, but this is so good. Highly would recommend you get your nose and hands on this fragrance for sure. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, of course, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.